Okay, let's do the next one. You're going to write an equation of a line that goes through the origin and point 10, -2. I'm going to do 2 more with you, and then I want you to try 2 on your own. So again, the origin is 0, 0, and the point is 10, -2. Let's find the slope. -2 minus 0 over 10 minus 0 gives you a -2 over 10, which simplifies to -1/5. And remember, please pause the video whenever people need more time. So our slope is -1/5. Our y-intercept is 0 because this goes through the origin. So our equation is y is equal to -1/5 x. That's all we write because it goes through the origin. We don't have a b to put there. Okay, D. Write an equation of a line that goes through the origin and through -5, -7. So 0, 0, and -5, -7 are my 2 points. Find the slope. -7 minus 0 over -5 minus 0 gives you -7 over -5. So what is a negative divided by a negative? Right, it's a positive. I know somebody said it, right? Okay. So you write your equation. Y is equal to 7/5 x. It's really plus 0, but we don't write the plus 0. Our y-intercept is 0. Okay, so pause the video, write these 2 problems down, and I want you to try these on your own. So make sure you pause the video. Okay, now that you're back, let's go over your answers. The slope for this one, you'd have 8 minus 0 over 6 minus 0 gives you 8/6. Which simplifies to 4 over 3. So your equation is y is equal to 4/3 x. And then the second one, your slope would be -9 minus 0 over -4 minus 0, which would give you a -9 over -4. Negative divided by a negative is what? Positive. So your equation is y is equal to 9 over 4x. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next thing because I have some time left in this video. So now let's write equations of lines that don't go through the origin. And I'll have to clear this up for you a little bit right here. But we're going to write an equation of a line that goes through -5, -8, and 0, 3 is what this is supposed to say. Okay, so which one of these 2 points is your y-intercept? It's this one because this point right here is on the y-axis. If you think about a coordinate plane again, and you plot this point 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's on the y-axis. So this point, -5, 8, would be -5 up here somewhere, -5, 8. And this line would be going down and to the right. You'd have a negative slope, and it would go through the y-axis at 0, 3. If you're looking for your y-intercept, it's going to be the point where the x is 0, because every point on the y-axis has an x that's 0. Every one of these points is 0 something. The origin is 0, 0. This is 0, 1. This is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and on up to infinity. If you go down, that's a 0, -1, 0, -2, 0, -3, and so on. Okay, so let's work this one out. Let's find the slope. We do 3 minus 8 over 0 minus a -5, which is going to give us a -5 over 5, which simplifies to what? -1. Okay, so again, we're plugging into that slope-intercept form. Write y is equal to, what is the slope? It's a -1. Put the x beside it, and what is your y-intercept? It's a +3, so write +3. And actually, the more proper way to write this would just be -x plus 3, because what's understood to be there? A -1. So write both of those down, just showing that you could write that either way. And this video is going to end here, and I'll start up with B on the next one.